Our problem today is Martha's granola recipe calls for 1.5 cups of oats per batch. If she makes 2.5 batches, how many cups of oats will she need? So our math problem is to solve 1.5 times 2.5. And I'm going to split that up into 1.5 times 2 and 1.5 times 1/2, and I'm going to add the answers that I get for those two problems together to find the answer for this problem. So first I'm going to start with 1.5 times 2. I'm going to use my fraction circles to find the answer. So this is one circle is a whole, 1.5. And I'm going to put another 1.5, and we can see that we have 1, 2, 3 whole circles. So my answer for 1.5 times 2 is 3. Then I'm going to need to solve 1.5 times 1/2. So I need to figure out what is half of 1.5. And I'm going to actually fill up my 1.5 with smaller pieces. These are quarter pieces. And I see that I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarters to fill up 1.5. So half of that would be 3 quarters. So 1.5 times 1/2 equals 3 quarters. So I'm going to add these two together. 3 plus 3/4 equals 3 3/4. And that is the solution to our original problem. 1.5 times 2.5 equals 3 3/4. So Martha would need to use 3 3/4 cups of oats to make 2.5 batches of granola.